Really, you can make yourself a lot more powerful in what you do by knowing how to use data science, knowing how to build predictive models, for instance, and kind of see, patterns that emerge and kind of see what's likely to happen given certain circumstances that you're encountering. We've revamped our curriculum to put a much stronger emphasis on analytics and decision sciences and data science. We work through coding environments together and, different types of data science tools and visualizations. And then we actually build models that, can predict things like Zillow does with housing prices. You actually have to write code to build the models. You have to interpret the results. I love being able to work with students and getting to know them on a one-on-one basis. And then I see them on the other side leave, with a good deal of expertise, and be able to use their skills to go do some things that are interesting. Those are the things that really I just love about the job.